unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Around 18 to 35% of people sneeze when exposed to bright light due to a rare reflex called the photic sneeze reflex. Bright light stimulates your optic nerve, which can accidentally trigger the sneeze center in your brain. This harmless quirk happens because the nerves controlling your eyes and sneezing sometimes send crossed signals.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.